Welcome to Abrar Electrical World channel. Please subscribe and like our channel and share because the lectures are oriented for the engineers, electrical engineers who have already graduated and have some years of experience or fresh. We try to cover the topics which are not usually covered in detail in the textbooks at university level. We were also not taught, so no problem. Now let's see, we are going to discuss here the very simple formula for calculation of the operating time for the IDMT, inverse definite minimum time relay of standard inverse or normally inverse as per IEC. The formula is very genuine and very simple. Now see, there are two kinds of IDMT, standard inverse or normally inverse relays. You will find two selections also in the numerical relays, but before the numerical relays there used to be two type separately. On one of the type, when the fault current is 10 times the rated current, full load rated current, and the TMS is set at 1, then the operating time becomes 3 seconds. And on the other type, when the fault current is 10 times the rated current and TMS, time multiplier setting, which is also known as time dial setting TDS, is equal to 1, it gives a time of 1.3 second. So in some of the relays, older ones, you will see that the curves are marked from 0.1 to 1 or from 1 to 10. But for the formula, you should consider the curves marked 0.1 and 1. So TMS will be 1, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, and then 0.10, that means 1. So not 0.10, 1.0, so that is 1. So you should consider this one. On the numerical relays, you will see you will have the selection for everything. You will enable the particular settings and you will reach the proper characteristics. So with the numerical relays, the life has become very easy. Now let's see here I have drawn some diagrams for you because it was becoming difficult for me to draw the graphs. I wanted to draw myself, so then I decided to draw on the whiteboard for my lecture. So now see here, the two formulas are written and the two curves are given here. See, this is a curve where you get a 1.3 second if the fault current is 10 times of the multiplier of the rated current, and this is known as the PSM. PSM is what? It is plug setting multiplier, and plug setting multiplier is equal to what? It is the I fault, यानी कि fault current divided by the rated full load current या normal current. Similarly, यहाँ पर I have shown see 3 seconds for 10 PSM यानी 10 time fault current पे this type of relay. When TMS is 1, this graph is selected, or TMS is selected 1, then you will get the 3 second. These are the formulas. I have written them clearly on the next page. So let's go to the next slide. See, here I have shown you some calculations. See, one formula is this 3 into TMS divided by log PSM. When you don't write here anything at the bottom of the G, it means always log 10. For natural log, the small letter n is mentioned here. So whenever you do not mention anything here, it means log 10. So for this one, this is for the 3 second delay. Now example, TMS is equal to 1, PSM 10 means the fault current is 10 times the rated full load current. So operating time will become 3 seconds. Why? Because log 10 is equal to 1. Log 10 to the base 10 is equal to 1. And TMS is 1. So answer will be 3. Remember, log 10 to the base 10 is always 1. And when there is not mentioned the natural log or log 10, nothing here at the bottom of the G, then it means that it is the log 10. Similarly, if you change the TMS or TDS time dial setting to 0.5, that you select the 0.5 curve, the curve which is about 0.5, and PS remains the 10 time fault current, then time operating time will become C3 into 0.5 divided by log 10. Log 10 is again 1, so it will become 1.5. Now here in the third line I have changed the PSM. TMS is 1, PSM मैंने कर दिया 20 times, मतलब the fault current is 20 times the rated current, then operating time will become 3 into 1 divided by log 20. So log 20 to the base 10. So log 20 from the calculator I got 1.3. So 3 divided by 1.3 you will get 2.3 seconds. Now see the time has reduced when the fault current is 20 times and it was 3 seconds when it was 10 times. So see the time has reduced. So this is the inverse time relay. Similarly you can do for the 1.3 second relay. So these are very simple formula. So I have mentioned very simple formula here, not given in the books normally. You will not find in the literature usually, but this is a correct formula. You can use it. Very simple formula. The other formula is very, very complicated. If you remember, you can check on the book net or on my other lectures. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz. Please subscribe our channel, share the video and like the video if you think it is useful.